therapeutic apheresis is really an unparalleled tool for long COVID. Nothing gets close to it. And why? Because when done properly, we are removing practically all the oxidized lipids and the lipoprotein A.
Will you explain to them what therapeutic apheresis is?
Of course, yeah. So therapeutic apheresis is something I've been specializing in for many years, and I can say confidently I'm a pioneer in the field. I have an NIH grant to research specifically the removal of galectin-3. The therapeutic apheresis. I'm about to start my animal safety studies before I get hopefully a green light to go into clinical trials in research. Sepsis, it's my filter. Only 11 years of work, But in any case, it's part of where I put my time. So, so the idea, you take the blood out, you separate the cells from the fluids, and you put the fluids through a filter, which is selective. So it removes the oxidized lipids. That's what's available in the United States. And it's for COVID long haul, it's really what you need. It removes the oxidized lipids. It will reduce significantly all the cytokines and the clotting factors. Removes almost all clotting factors. Removes a significant amount of fibrinogen. So now the blood is very clean, and it allows the tissue to release its toxins into the blood. And if you manipulate the apheresis by doing certain IVs that enhance the process, you really get an outside of the body filter that the body is not able to do. And what it does, it allows the body to recalibrate. So it's fascinating. I could feel when I was really at the peak of my COVID long haul, and I was doing this once a week for a few weeks, I could feel how, because there was a lot of cytokines being produced and a lot of oxidized lipids, you could feel how you have a response, but you're not developing the same intensity of symptoms because the body doesn't have the cytokines. And then slowly they come back. But as they get recalibrated, they stop being produced. And so for people who are really stuck in the long haul situation with severe symptoms, then fortunately, because it's available, then therapeutic apheresis is available. We do it at Amitabha Medical Clinic, and it's really what we specialize in the clinic in the last decade. It's a whole specialty. It's not another thing you do. I do this and I do this. It's really a specialty. You look at the filters, you really tailor, and then in ideal environment, we combine it with what you and I do, with healing, with neural therapy, with creating a letting go process on multiple levels. And then you can really turn people around. It's inspiring. I mean, the less severe cases get turned around very quickly. Sometimes it's really one or two treatments makes the difference. For people who have very severe conditions with other pathologies from the past, then it takes more work. But it's a process like everything else.